maybe like a trouser trout. You know what I'm saying? All right. Well, we want to say thank you to our listeners, our dedicated listeners, all 2 of you, baby. We love you both. And you are listening to the best paranormal party, where we bring you the paranormal and the party every Wednesday on our effing broadcast radio network. Bye. Bye.
There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going on.